How to fix ThinkPhone 25 voicemail notifications won't go away. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then click on see all apps. Now scroll down and click on phone and click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your phone. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system and then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.